Part 2 of unboxing Warrior Cat stuff. Let's see who it is. Oh wow, it's Scourge again. He looks very cool. I'm going to do a part 3 for the big plushie of the Warrior Cats.